Advantages of filing for Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Being in a state of bankruptcy can be very stressful, especially when creditors come running after you. When there is no other option, filing for bankruptcy may be the only solution to such financial obligations. Chapter 13 bankruptcy may be the answer to a debtor's financial woes. Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows the debtor to repay and, in some cases, reduce his debts and, at the same time, being protected from creditors' demands. With Chapter 13 bankruptcy, a debtor is given ample time to repay his creditors using a repayment plan which the court would approve. So, instead of paying multiple debts, the debtor would only need to adhere to the repayment plan as summoned by the bankruptcy court. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is designed for those with sufficient disposable income to pay for his existing debts within a given period of time. Once a bankruptcy petition is filed with the court, creditors cannot run after the debtor. Neither can they demand payment while the case is ongoing. Together with a bankruptcy lawyer, the debtor must come up with a repayment plan which the court has to approve. When the court sees the repayment plan is feasible, the debtor must stick to the repayment scheme and pay his debts within 3 to 5 years. Anyone is allowed to file for Chapter 13 bankruptcy as long as he is able to qualify for filing such a case. It can help the debtor get back on the financial track as he is given time to pay his debts using a plan that the court deems possible. Also, it can prevent repossession and foreclosure for properties. To be sure whether Chapter 13 bankruptcy is the option for you, ask for help from a bankruptcy lawyer who can guide you and represent you in court. Jeffrey A. Cancilla, 714-702-5295.